guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook aubergine with meat. I have all the ingredients here. This is the big aubergine, carrots, garlic, pepper, spring onions, and the half kilo of meat. Any kind of meat, you can use it. So let's start cooking now because it's a really beautiful day outside. Let's start. So first thing, I need to wash the meat. You can use any kind of meat, guys. That's up to you which one you would like to use. Yeah, it's up to you. It's really up to you which one you want to prepare. Any kind of meat. Because it's raining here today. So, it's a really lovely thing. Kayo ang panahon. So, wala magluto pa. One by one. This aubergine is really big aubergine here. Because in the Philippines, aubergine is quite smaller. Here it's more bigger. So, now it's finished. Finish washing. So, I need to cut the meat into small pieces. You can use any meat. Chicken or any kind of meat. Beef. Just small pieces. So it depends, 1 kilo, it depends of the aubergine, how many aubergine you are buying. It depends, half kilo, because I use only half kilo of meat. So that's why it's okay. And then this the aubergine. Now let's slice the aubergine. This is called eggplant in American English, but in British English it's called aubergine. I'm not a professional cook, but I try my best. Separate this one from here. This one. Make sure it's more. Noisy outside, guys. Sorry for the noise outside. It's too noisy outside. It's too watery. Excuse me for the noise, guys. I don't know what happened outside. It's a reparation. So it's done. The aubergine, I'm done slicing. Now it's done, guys. I separate everything, and the carrots and the spring onions. Look at the spring onions and the half kilo meat. So start cooking. And the aubergine. Look at, I do slice like this, the aubergine. All this one is. So now I start cooking now, guys. I need to make sure the pan is hot. So I start cooking in my small kitchen. Now the pan is a little bit hot. I need to put a little bit of oil, not much, just a little bit of oil. Now I need to put the meat here in the meat. First the meat first. I'll show you guys. one. Now let's test or look at. Yeah, make sure it's cooked properly. Separate, guys. I need to add the garlic. So I need to add the garlic, the onions, the spring onions. Guys, actually this is not burned. Only the pan because it's not good in the pan. But it looks burned, so it's not burned. Mix together. Mix. So let's add the soy sauce, not much. The oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is not much. Just a little bit. Like that. Then mix. The pepper, ground pepper, then mix this one. Now a little bit of organic vinegar, just a little bit, not much, like that. Later we'll mix it one later. Now let's add a little bit of water, not much, just a little bit. Make the meat will become soft. So let's cover this one for about 20 minutes to make the meat very soft. Then after the aubergine. So let's open. Look at the meat is really soft now, guys. Very soft. Look at this, very soft. So let's add the carrots. Mix all together. So leave it for around, make it soft like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Let's open, and now let's add the pepper. Look at, guys. See how. Let's add the aubergine. Let's add the aubergine in here. Mix this one. Mix it. I will make it sure the aubergine is really soft, so that it's nice taste. So just leave this one for about. Now let's check, guys, if it's soft. You make it sure the aubergine is really soft. It's not yet, so we need more cook. So I think it's already done. So let's add this one, what's it called, the spring onions. Mix it very well. Add spices to the aubergine. Now it's done, all done, everything is done. So let's check the food. Now it's all done, guys. Look at how nice and soft the pork. So let's taste this one. So let's take a little bit of, so let's test if it's everything it's okay, the taste is fine. So let's taste. Look at how. So let's cover it for a while because. So let's separate this one in here because I'm all done. So let's taste this one. Look at how soft the meat is. I don't put any salt because the soy sauce is already salty, and the aubergine. Delicious. This is my dinner today, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. So let's eat. Wow, it's so perfect. Mmm. Mmm. And the meat, how is really soft, the meat. Mmm. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe.